in this video we will see how you can turn on double tap gestures on any Android device. So you can see I have OnePlus 8 and I double tap on it and flashlight turns on, and I again double tap on it, flashlight. So you can set any action you want on double tap. Like I have set the flashlight option. You can launch any app, launch the Google Assistant, and you can also set it to take screenshots. So follow the whole video. I will show you that which permission it needs and how you can set that permissions. So first of all, subscribe the channel and don't miss any part of the video. So now we will see how to set it and how to give it the permission it requires. So what you have to do is firstly download the TapTap app. I have given the link in the description. You can easily download through that link, and after downloading you will have to install and then open it. And now here you will see the accessibility services denied, so it requires accessibility permissions. So click on it and find the TapTap here. Here you can see downloaded services, TapTap. I will turn it on and you will have to allow this permission and then go back to the app, and you can see here accessibility services enabled. And now what you will have, so after setting accessibility permissions you will have to go to actions, and here you have to go to the add action. You can see here, let me just focus. You can click here add actions and click on utilities and tap on flashlight and it will be added. I had already added, so it comes twice. I will remove it. Remove all the unrequired options if they are available here. So now what we will do, we will test. Here is OnePlus 8 and you can see here just below the flashlight or the camera you will have to double tap, and you can see the flashlight has turned on, and after again double tap the flashlight will turn off. And let's see other options also. You can add as many options you want, but the first option will be executed first. If it fails, then second option will execute. So I will just delete it and I will click on launch, and I want to launch camera on double tap. So launch camera has been selected. Now let me double tap. I double tapped and camera opened. And now let's go back and add actions and take screenshot. Okay, now let me double tap and screenshot has been taken. So this was the video on how to enable double tap gestures of iOS 14 on your Android device without root access. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it, and if you have any problem, please comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching again.